Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is JJ. So this is actually kind of like, I guess, a review of the video tutorials that I did a while back on Capwing, because this is the Capwing software right here that I'm using to do my videos. And yesterday, I actually shared a little bit of how I did my video talking about the 100-day video challenge. And pretty much Angus actually noticed that it was a whole lot of images, and he basically suggested that maybe I would actually share and break down the production of this video. And it's a good idea, because what it is that it takes a lot, like even like if you look at the start of this video. Let me start it right now. It's white, right? And what it is that there's a transition that fades in. If you notice, if you start from the beginning, and then what I did was I faded it in. Start from the beginning, it fades in. And then I get my image of myself on top of my logo, and then I paste in my text. And all of these things is a puzzle that you put together. All of these different images that you see coming up one after another, it's all part of the puzzle. When you put the video together, you got to get all of your pieces together, and then afterwards you put your puzzle together and you make your video. Now this video, mind you, took me a while to do. It took me more than a few hours, and I only got a 2-minute and 42-second video. But once I get my mind made up on what I want to do, and I want to do something, I'm going to put it together. So as you can see, there's a lot of images, and then once you get the images next to each other, then you start looking at how you want to transition. One important thing is to let you know is that how do you know where to put the video, the images, and how long you're going to do the images? Well, that depends on your recording. According to your recording, on how you're talking and how the script goes and what the story is saying, that's when the images change. So when I come to naming the people that's done their videos, right? And when I talk about changing the name, I go Brian, I come to Brian. When I go to Derek, then I change it to Derek, right? And then when I go to Diane, then I change it to Diane, right? And that's how you know when the script tells you when to change over. And so here's the script right here. Here's all of the images, right? And then with the transitions, it's up to you how you want to transition. There's a lot of options on how you want to transition from one image to the next, right? And you can see all the different options that I'm using to change over, right? So it's fun. It's fun on how to do it. You got options on what kind of subtitles, like right here, which one you want to use, right? And then, so all of this is a whole lot of fun. Then you got your media. This is where I got all of my files. After I made my screenshots, paste all of my files here, and then I transition it over here. This is JJ talking to you a little bit more of what it takes to do a Capwing video like this. And the whole thing capped it off. I did some background music. And you do that right here in the recordings. You just choose some background music and you paste it in. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys got a little bit more about how I make my videos. I'll talk to you guys soon. Aloha.